JunkGuysdfw. What's up, guys? It's Ricardo. I got a special announcement for you from Junkcon, which is happening October the 13th through the 14th in Raleigh, North Carolina. Hope I got that right, Jesus. Anyway, guys, I have one of the speakers that's going to be at the Junkcon 2022 right now. Let me bring her on live. Here we go. Denise, what's up, girl? How you doing?
What's up? The Queen of Junk is here.
I don't know. You can't see me, but I'm pushing it up. I'm like thrusting my hands in the air because I'm excited to see you. Yeah, there you go. That's exactly what I'm doing. So we have an announcement, and there is a special going on. I know you know about this, so you want to say a little about it?
It is July. It started last night at 5 p.m. July 1st through July the 5th. You get half off.
Yes, and the ticket.
$200.
Yes.
It's $295.
Yes, so the tickets are $4.95 if you want to go to Junkcon. But with this sale, with our affiliate links down below of this video and your videos too, or I mean, well, your website, or maybe, listen, it's in my affiliate link down below, guys. It's $200 off. The normal tickets are $4.95, so you're looking at, for a limited time of about 4 days from July the 1st to July the 5th, $200 off. Your ticket prices are $295. But I want to talk to Denise, and I brought Denise on for a reason, because she is one of the speakers at Junkcon 2022. What you're going to be talking about? You want to give me a rough draft? So I know that you're going to be in the Q&A panel with the masterminds of junk removal. Denise, do you think you're a mastermind?
Well, I think we're all mastermind.
What are you looking forward to at the Junkcon 2022?
I am looking forward to meeting everybody in person that I talk to on Facebook and all over social media. This is going to be the biggest event to gather the most exceptional men and women in the junk removal business. So if you don't come, you're going to miss a huge thing.
Now, I want to say something, Denise. I want to say there's a lot of people out there that are not going to go. And I tell these people, I try to convince them, try to sell the product of Junkcon 2022. It doesn't benefit me, but it benefits them. There's going to be so much information, so many professionals giving out so much good info that they can grab one small piece of this and help their business expand and to grow. What do you say about something like that?
I agree 150%. You need to come to this event. You may get just one idea from somebody that you've never thought of. I've been in business 29 years, and I hope to learn and gain more knowledge, even in all the years and experience that I've got with my junk removal business.
Exactly. One nugget of wisdom from this conference, I'm telling you, will help you grow your business. And that's what I want to tell y'all, guys. Listen, it's not only about listening to Denise or listening to me, one of the speakers there, but guys, it's about also the people that are on the main stage. For instance, Denise, let me tell you about somebody, Lee Galble, the founder of Junkcon, going to be talking about achieving the American dream, how to grow your business, make more money, and live a better life. I'm looking forward to that. What do you think?
I think it's awesome. He's got a wealth of knowledge. By bringing everybody together like this, I mean, he is putting on a phenomenal show for everybody.
You got to take advantage of this, and I'm telling you, if you're a new business entrepreneur, if you're thinking of starting a junk removal business, or even if you're a veteran in junk removal, Lee Galbo, the founder of Junkcon, is going to be there. He's going to be speaking. But not only that, Tony Stubb, the Wisdom Insurance guy, proven methods to lower your truck insurance. And I know rates are really bad out there. The economy is driving them up. I don't know how much your rate is in insurance, Denise, but I know I need it cheaper.
Oh, I know I'm going to be talking to Tony as soon as I meet him.
Exactly. Guys, Dan Kadash, founder of Workies, growing your business with Workies, scheduling jobs, dispatch, invoicing, getting paid all in one place. I don't, Denise, actually use Workies. I use Google Calendar, but I'm looking to see what he has to offer. Maybe it's something down the line I could change. So what do you use for scheduling?
I use Google Calendar also, but I'm very interested in expanding all of the functions that they have in this program. So I'm definitely going to open my eyes and my mind to look into this program.
Exactly. Okay, so we have also in the panel, there's going to be a guy named Bennett Grove. He's the owner, the CEO of Fire Dogs Junk Removal, and he's also the host, now get this, of Firepreneurs Podcast, which I don't know much about, but I know that he's going to be talking about scaling the structure, the systems that you can take with your business from the side hustle to 7 figures. Listen, guys, if that's not something that you want to listen to, we also are going to be talking on the panel about junk removal HR. That's hiring people, managing, retaining good employees. And I think, Denise, you know how hard it is to keep a good employee. Like me being a veteran, having been in this game for 15 years, I think you know how hard it is to get a good employee and retain them.
I'm anxious to hear what this person has to offer because the economy is horrible and we need to be able to keep people.
Exactly. And I think as a business owner, as you grow your business, you know that keeping employees, retaining those employees, making them happy is a difficult thing to do long term. Listen, guys, at this Junkcon 2022, the panel of people keep on growing. The main stage's gonna have somebody be, listen, if you're into junk removal, if you're into power washing, roofing, there's also gonna be other ways to have lucrative streams, such as house flipping 101 with home investors. Denise, they're gonna have home investors out there. They're gonna talk about, hey, here's a little side hustle. Now, I know I have a side hustle when I recycle, Denise. I have a side hustle with my retail store, and I know you do some selling. Talk about something that you do as a side hustle.
I also do the same. I recycle, I sell, I auction. And in the past, back in the early 2000s, I used to have the side hustle of investing in housing and flipping. So that's going to be interesting to listen to also.
Exactly. So guys, if that's not your thing, Sam Schick, he built a $10 million a year junk removal business owner. He's going to be talking about if you build it, they will come, creating capacity for your junk removal business to flourish. I've been listening to this guy, Denise, online. I've heard some of his talking before. I've seen some of the videos. I don't know much about him, but I'm looking forward to kind of like sitting down, picking his brain, seeing what he thinks. He ran a small business into a $10 million business. I don't know if I want to be a $10 million. I've never seen $10 million, but it sounds good. What do you think of that, Denise?
Hey, I think we got a lot of brilliant minds that are going to be under one roof. And I want to say too, not only, if I can throw this in there, are we going to have great speakers? We're going to have vendors. We're going to have classroom breakout sessions. Mm-hmm. So it is going to be a huge event. Exactly.
Guys, this is the best part. The Q&A. We're gonna have a Q&A, the masterminds of junk removal. It's gonna help broaden your experience, your perspective, and gain hard-earned advice from the Q&A panel. And guess who's on it? Denise Sparks is on it. John Aguirre from Happy Junk Removal in Mesa, Arizona. Jamar Christian from Junk Removal Rangers in Orlando. Drew Douglas from Junk Dogs in Redlands, California. And the one and only Denise, the Spark, the Fire Sparks Junk Removal in Alton, Illinois. Whoop, whoop. Can I hear a whoop, whoop? Joel Wildem, also from Junk Relief Chicago in Chicago, Illinois. Listen, guys, and I'm going to tell you one time really fast. The sale for Junkcon 2022 started Friday, July 1st and ends Tuesday, July 5th, $200 off. Sign down below. There's an affiliate link, guys. It's the 4th of July deal announcement, guys. So I have Denise. Denise, what's one of the things that you want to talk about that you're looking forward that people ask you with your experience in junk removal at this Q&A panel?
One of the most important things that I want to talk about is the women in this industry. I want to hear from all the women, also the kings too, but there's a lot of new faces that are coming into the industry, and I really, really want to get together and speak with these people.
Well, I don't know if you knew, Denise, but Michelle Hill is a local person that I deal with all the time.
Oh, yes. Yeah, and I talk to Michelle all the time.
Great. And she said that just how she's growing her business, this perspective, and She's looking forward to seeing you, meeting you for the first time, face to face, but also talking to all the other people, looking at the panels, you know, all the break rooms, like you said. But one specific thing that she did tell me, and it kind of rang in my ear, was like, what women, how many women, and the kind of entrepreneurial ideas they're going to be having when they go to this Junkcon 2022. I don't think that was a question. I think that was more of a statement, Denise. But I think
she's right.
Right, and I think she just wants to see like how many other women are going to be out there also, you know what I mean? And that is kind of curious to me. Is there going to be, you know, 5 women? Is there going to be 50 women out there kind of, and I don't know how many women are in junk removal, but what's your experience? Because I know there's a local, I think there's Katie Martin. She's not that local to you, but she's not that far from you. Is that correct?
That's correct. And I've been, ever since I heard Junkcon 2022 was announced, I've been really pounding the pavement and getting messages out to all of the female entrepreneurs out there in the junk removal business, and I'm getting some really good feedback. So, fingers crossed, I hope to see a lot of women there as well.
Awesome, awesome. Well, Denise, I just want to thank you so much for coming on board. Don't forget, guys, right, $200 off right now from July 1st to the, I see you. I can see you. I'm doing that. $200 if you sign up right now with my affiliate link below. And I think, Denise, you'll have an affiliate link somewhere. I have no idea where it's at, but I will tell you. Go ahead.
Junkcon.com/sparks.
There you go, guys. And it ends on Tuesday, July the 5th. Usually the full price is $495. With this discount of $200, your ticket price will be $295. I think it's really important, guys, that if you're looking to start, yeah, it's important if you're starting a junk removal business or looking to start a junk removal or even a veteran. You know what? There's a lot of people out there, Denise, and I want to make this statement, it's kind of controversial. There's a lot of people out there that think they know what they're doing. They think, I've been doing this for 15 years. I know what I'm doing. They say that. They're like me, kind of cocky, you know what I mean? They go out there, they're like, oh, I don't need advice. I make $10,000 a month profit every month. But I'm going to tell you, there is so much info that's going to be at Junkcon 2022. Guys, if you're so rich and you don't need our advice, right?
Bring it.
Yeah, bring it. I want to hear this. Come to Junkcon 2022. Teach me a lesson, because I'm going to be there. I'm going to be one of the speakers. Denise is going to be one of the Q&A people on the panel there and teach us a lesson, because apparently you know more than I do. And maybe you should have a Junkcon 2022, you know what I mean? These cocky people that don't want to come. Listen, guys, if you're making $100,000 a month, come and meet other business owners. Help us, help them. And I'm going to leave you with that. I know you got to go back to work, and I'm going on vacation. I will talk to you later, Denise. And don't forget, guys, if you like these videos, subscribe to the right side. On the left side, check out my other videos, and I will talk to you later. Later, Denise.
Hey, have a good sport.
You too. Bye-bye.
Do you dream of making more money with your business or creating a business that doesn't rely on you? You're going to solve all of these problems and more at Junkcon 22. You're going to gain something that's going to make you thousands, hundreds of thousands, or maybe even millions of dollars over the years to come. And as an exclusive deal for fans of Ricardo's content, you're going to be entered into a drawing to win a brand new Sawzall with a full set of Diablo Steel Demon Blades. Click the link in the description to get your tickets now. Y'all are crushing it out there, and Ricardo and myself look forward to seeing you at Junkcon 22.